Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about what happened in ChatGPT Event Day 9. This event was all about developers. Obviously, I'm not going to go over details too deeply because I want to keep this video simple for people that are less tech savvy and more general public, but I'll try to go over some key points and some general stuff that was announced. If you guys want me to make a more detailed video about this, let me know, but I'm sure there are many other good creators that are making very detailed videos about this type of stuff. So today, ChatGPT 01 was released into the API, and it's 60% cheaper, faster, supports rules, and you can give it instructions to follow, and also it's more efficient and more accurate. And overall, it does a better job at understanding you and following the developer instructions, because there's an area where you can add developer instructions and tell it to follow it. And it also has image support now, so like you can send it your forms or a question that you have on a test or something else, and it will look at it, and it can understand it and provide you responses. And you can also create new experiences, like how I showed you in the previous video on search, and you can like highlight the PDF and say which area is wrong and what's the right answer or stuff like that. So that's the first update. And then the second update was with ChatGPT Voice API. So that one is faster, more efficient, supports the Voice API 2.0, which has the updated assistant, and it's faster, cheaper, and I believe it supports 01 as well. Not sure about that, but I know it's up to 60% cheaper on 01, and I think 80% or 100% cheaper on 4.0 mini. Oh, sorry, I think it's 4.0 mini, which is 60%, and then actually it's not 4.0 mini, it's 4.0 is 60% cheaper than what they have right now, and then 4.0 mini is 80% or 100% cheaper. I'll have to double check that information, but like I said, those are details that are deeper, and other YouTubers are a lot better than me explaining this type of stuff. But I'm just giving you guys a general idea of what happened. And in my opinion, the most coolest thing, they added WebRTC support, so it's going to be a lot easier and a lot more efficient for developers to use it and integrate it into their apps and into their platforms, because WebRTC is made for the web and it's a lot easier to integrate stuff. And then they also introduced a new way of training the model. So before we had reinforcement fine-tuning, and then we had instructional fine-tuning, where you gave it like instructions and then you gave it the input and output. But now they released a new version where you give it your data set and it will automatically find out what is the best response. and it's the same price as the other ways to train the model. It's just more efficient and easier for people to do so. Like I said, there will be more details on other channels. I will try my best to put links down in the description so you guys can see that, but some definitely exciting stuff. Most importantly, faster, better, more accurate, and cheaper. So those are a quick overview and recap of what was announced on day 9. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully everyone has a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notifications. That I forgot to mention was ChatGPT announced microchip support, so you guys can use microchips to integrate with different products and use those products as voice assistants, so they can have access to ChatGPT and talk with ChatGPT's voice assistant. Like, for example, putting it into a toy and then talking with that toy, like a voice assistant. And then you can provide training data and other information, which can be used to train the voice assistant the way you want it to be trained. And there is also Go, Python, and I believe JavaScript support for ChatGPT and their voice integration and other APIs. But I believe they're in early preview. I just wanted to add that because I forgot to say that in my initial video. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye for now.